Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3 liter engine, EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back, where you have seating for two with the sort of classic Ranger booster seats, which can be removed here. To access a storage bin underneath for things such as your jack there, but you can also put some tools in there or something else, and you have a 12-volt power outlet in the middle there. And then looking at the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, distance empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy for said trip, and then you can also move on to your fuel economy where you can specifically look at that. Truck info such as your power distribution, driver assistance features, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Then you do have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock, but then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then moving down from that, you have your hazards, and then your climate controls, or your media controls, and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. And below that, you have two 12-volt power outlets, so you can plug something in there, and two USBs, so you can plug something in from there as well to power your devices. Then you have your auto start stop shut off here, your tow haul mode, traction control shut off, and your locking rear differential. Then you have, of course, your 4x4 selector and your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then you have your parking brake, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.